internationally trained physical therapist looking to get licensed in Ohio? The process might seem overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it. My name is Jane Monis, and I am a consultant at factspt, where we help foreign-trained physical therapists navigate the US licensure process. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to become a licensed PT in Ohio. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do and where to start. So let's dive in. Step 1. Credential evaluation. Before you can apply for licensure, Ohio requires that your foreign education is equivalent to US standards. What you need to do from your end is submit your academic transcripts to a board-approved credentialing agency, such as FCCPT or ICD or IERF. The agency will review your coursework, clinical hours, and education to ensure that it meets Ohio's requirements. Once complete, your credential evaluation report must be sent directly to the Ohio Physical Therapy Board. Ohio requires certain general education requirements in addition to the required physical therapy courses and clinical education. So, there has to be evidence of coursework in humanities, physical sciences, biological sciences, social sciences, behavioral sciences, and mathematics. Now remember that this step can take weeks or even months, can feel overwhelming, so start early to avoid delays. And don't stress, because factspt's post-evaluation service can help you to clear all of these deficiencies. Step 2. Proof of foreign licensure. Ohio requires verification that you were legally licensed to practice in your home country. What you need to do from your end is to obtain an official license verification from your country's licensing board. It must be sent directly from the licensing authority to Ohio's PT board. Now remember that if your country does not have a licensing system, you may need additional documentation proving legal practice. Step 3 is the English language proficiency. All foreign educated applicants must demonstrate proficiency in English. This is done by obtaining scores on the TOEFL IBT of at least 24 on the writing section, 26 on the speaking section, 21 on the reading comprehension section, and 18 on the listening comprehension section. So a total of 89 on the overall examination. factst provides you with all the resources you need to clear TOEFL. Step 4 is start the application process. Start your online application through the Ohio e-license portal, pay the $100 non-refundable fee, provide official graduation certificates and transcripts, upload your TOEFL scores. Step 5. Register for the National Physical Therapy Examination, which is the NPTE. So the NPTE is a standardized test that ensures all PTs, regardless of their training background, meet the knowledge and competency required to practice safely. What you need to do from your end is register and schedule the NPTE through the Federation of State Boards of Physical Therapy, that is the FSBPT. Prepare using recommended NPTE study materials and practice exams. Once you pass, have your scores sent directly to Ohio's PT board. Pro tip, don't underestimate this exam. Many international trained PTs can take 3 to 6 months to prepare effectively for it. Step 6. Ohio Jurisprudence Examination. This test ensures that you understand Ohio's physical therapy laws, ethics, and regulations. So, from your end, study the Ohio Physical Therapy Practice Act and board rules. Register for the Ohio Jurisprudence Assessment module online at FSBPT. Pass the exam and the results are sent directly to the board. Step 7 is the criminal background check, the BCI and FBI fingerprinting. To ensure patient safety, Ohio requires both state and federal background checks. What you need to do from your end for this is to schedule a fingerprinting appointment with an Ohio-approved web check provider. The results must be sent directly to the Ohio PT board. Note that background checks can take a few weeks, so plan ahead. Step 8 is to submit your application. So once you've completed all the previous steps, you can formally apply for licensure in Ohio. So let's sum it all up. You will make sure to upload your application form along with the required documents. What are the required documents? Credential evaluation sent to the board directly by the evaluating agency, license verification, official transcripts and graduation certificates. You will need TOEFL scores, NPTE and Jurisprudence exam results, background check confirmation. So double check your application for accuracy. Okay, so any missing documents can delay approval. And so there you have it. Those are the 7 key steps to becoming a licensed PT in Ohio. It may seem like a long journey, but with careful planning and persistence, you will get there. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more licensure tips, and share it with others who might need this information. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey to becoming a licensed PT in Ohio.